Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from BGM Girl. That stands for Black Girl Magic. This is my first time working with this company. I've seen this company on TikTok, on Instagram, so I was like, let's see if y'all giving for real. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. As y'all can see, she is 24 inches. She is a glueless wig, and she is a body wave texture. She already came pre-cut. She is like that 99J reddish color. The hairline, it was cute. It was cute for what it was given. Glueless wigs are pretty tricky sometimes, especially if that lace isn't sitting the way you need it to be sitting. But as far as the benefits of glueless wigs, of course, it's less mess. Of course, it's very beginner friendly. You can just slip it on and go. But that lace really makes a huge difference when you are doing glueless wigs because, again, lace is still material, but there's a way that you can really camouflage it. So right now I am going to add a couple of juicy curls. Y'all will see in the end that this is only a show and tell type of demonstration. So if y'all see, y'all will see the back of my head not fully curled. So y'all, I'm giving the illusion, you know what I'm saying, that this is what it will be given if I really had to really give it to y'all. So don't mind it. So far, what I really do like about this unit and the dye job of this unit, usually wigs this color bleeds off into your hands while you're styling it, while you're like just doing whatever to it. Usually my hands would be purple, red by the end of this video, but no, the color really stayed on the wig, on the actual hair where it's supposed to be. So I really truly love that. believe the construction of this wig, I think all she had was just an elastic band, no comb. So if you are looking for extra security, definitely kind of bobby pin or sew some type of wig clips up in it so you can kind of feel some type of security. This is good for a girly that's trying to save her edges though, but you know. Right now I'm just putting a little bit of the makeup just to blend out that lace. Again, the lace could have been better. I'm not gonna cap. The lace could have definitely been better, but I was just so in love with how they plucked the hairline that it was like, y'all know it's a wig. It don't matter. So right now I am cutting more layers. You don't want a hairstyle to be too one-dimensional. You want some type of flair in it. Like y'all see? Y'all see? Yes, the hair was definitely soft. The hair did shed quite a bit as well. So forewarning, if you are purchasing this wig, she does shed. Again, y'all can see the back of my head. Like, I did not curl that. Like, y'all just pay attention to the front. The front is going to give. I promise y'all, the front, it gives. The front gives. The front gives. But the back, don't worry about that. You see how those curls are falling now because of the layers? Overall, if I had to rate or rank the qualities of this hair, I definitely would give, for the color and the dye job, I would definitely give it a 9 out of 10. The hairline was definitely a 9.5 out of 10. The lace, however, I would have to give her a 7.5. Again, she's going to eat, y'all. She's going to eat in the front, but that back, don't judge me. Turn around. Girl, turn around. We not here for that. But the front, she gonna eat. I put my face on and I went on and curled all the way. I ended up curling my entire head. Overall, for my first impression on this unit, she is definitely a cute pickup. Everything about her will be in my description box below. Like I said, the dye job, the texture of this unit, definitely high in ranking. But I wish the lace was a little bit more thinner, a little bit more transparent. Again, if I am saying the wrong terms, forgive me. But, you know, I know what I'm trying to say to myself. But, yeah, I'm glad I went on and just finished curling this unit. I would like to thank Black Girl Magic Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.